Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove Hyundai Kona windshield wipers. First, gather your tools, such as a small flathead screwdriver or a trim removal tool. Next, park your Kona on a level surface and turn off the ignition. It's a good idea to place a towel or cardboard on your windshield to prevent accidental damage during the process. This simple preparation makes the job much smoother and safer for your vehicle. Now, let's get those wiper arms into the service position. Gently pull the wiper arm away from the windshield until it stands upright and locks into place. You'll usually feel a slight click. Be very careful not to let the arm snap back down onto the glass, as this could cause damage. This position gives you clear access to the blade for removal. With the arm in the service position, it's time to detach the blade. Look for a small tab or button where the blade connects to the arm. Press this tab firmly, then slide the entire wiper blade down and off the J-hook arm. Keep a firm grip on the wiper arm itself to prevent it from accidentally falling and hitting your windshield. The old blade should come off easily. Installing your new wiper blade is just as straightforward. Simply align the new blade with the J-hook on the wiper arm. Slide it up until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked. Before lowering the arm, give the blade a gentle tug to ensure it's firmly attached. Finally, carefully lower the entire wiper arm back onto your windshield.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.